Hey everybody, this is Tim from RPG Keys. You know, as a photographer, I'm always looking for ways to make my images better and to reduce the amount of time I'm spending at a computer, but to get the results that I'm looking for. One photographer friend of mine, Fundy, from Fundy SOS, has designed a bunch of products that really we just can't live without in our studio. That includes the album builder and his workflow toolbar for Photoshop. So we just spent a little bit of time over the last couple of months designing a module for the RPG key so that we can take advantage of the power of the RPG keyboard but still utilize all the tools in the Fundy workflow systems and album builder. This video is really just a real quick intro to show our friends what we've been working on. So I'm going to go down and I'm going to start the RPG application, and I'm going to go up to the layout modifier. I'm going to select Photoshop CS5 because that's what I'm using, and I'm going to program key number 1. I'm going to do a quick search for all things Fundy, F-U-N-D-Y, and you'll see Fundy SOS WF for workflow, and you'll also see Fundy SOS AB, which stands for album builder. So for this first key, I'm going to do key number 1. I'm going to use the Fundy workflow save next. Actually do save previous there, and I'll pick key number 2, and I'm going to do Fundy workflow save next. So I've just very quickly programmed keys 1 and 2 on my RPG key to take me to the next photograph to save my work and open the next photograph, or save my work and open the previous photograph. Why don't we go ahead and program key number 3 to something in the album maker. Let's start by doing album maker ninja layout. So let's do key 3 ninja layout, and we'll start there. So here's a quick demo of how the keys work. So that takes about 10 minutes to set the entire keyboard up just for your Fundy tools. We'll close it up, we'll go back in here. So I'm going to go ahead and hit key number 2, which is going to save this current photo and open up the next one. Here it goes. The Fundy's doing its magic. Boom, there's the next photograph. Here's the next one. I'll hit it again. Here's the next image. Okay, so you know, we could go and do something like go to previous, which of course we programmed to key number 1. Now, what's faster about this? Why have the RPG keys added utility here? I've been able to keep my mouse on the photograph, and I'm taking advantage of all these tools that are over here. My fingers, I've programmed these keys, these functions to keys where my fingers know where they already are. So I've got one hand on the keyboard and one hand in Photoshop, and I can just move seamlessly while I design albums. So we'll do the ninja layout here. Alright, so I've just opened up the ninja layout by clicking the key on the keyboard. We're going to do a real quick one-up, and we're going to go on and we're going to design our album. Okay folks, that's a really quick introduction. We're going to do a real actual video as we refine the keys and how they work with the Fundy system.